Now we'll move on to slide number 14. So the Payment of Bonus Act, it will be applicable to establishments in which 20 or more persons were employed on any day during an accounting year. The code is silent about the applicability if the threshold limit falls below subsequently. Right. I think this is again an important point. Currently, it is 20. In some states, the applicability, the minimum threshold number is mentioned as 10. 10 or more employees are working in an establishment. Then the Payment of Bonus Act will be applicable. And once the act becomes applicable, subsequently, even if the number of employees falls below the threshold limit mentioned, say it be 10 or 20, the act will continue to apply. Right? The employer has to make the payment of bonus. That position is now slightly getting changed. The code is silent about the applicability if the threshold limit falls below subsequently, once it becomes applicable, right? So assume this accounting year, the company is engaging, say, 24 employees. So automatically the Payment of Bonus Act will be applicable. The employer has to pay the bonus. In the next accounting year, if the number falls below 20, then it appears, if we go verbatim as per the provision given under the code, for that accounting year, if the employer has not engaged 20 or more people, even on a single day throughout the entire accounting year, then it appears the act will not be applicable. Which means, so payment of bonus will not be automatically done year on year basis once it becomes applicable, but you may have to check the applicability for every accounting year. So maybe this year, if it is applicable, then as an employee, you are liable to pay the payment of bonus. So next accounting year, if it is not applicable, you need not pay. It is. I'm not very sure if something is missed out or this is intentional. But it is like that only as per the provisions. If we strictly adhere to the provisions, definitely then we need not pay bonus for a particular accounting year in which if the threshold limit falls below whatever is mentioned, be it 20 or 10. Now let us move on to slide 15. Wages ceiling for eligibility. Currently, yes, for eligibility of bonus, currently the wage ceiling is 21,000. And for calculation of bonus, it is 7,000 or minimum rates of wages, whichever is higher. Right. Now, I think this is uniform. This is a central act. This is uniform. And this applies across India. Now, the ceiling for the eligibility as well as the ceiling for the calculation, the powers are now given to the appropriate governments. So now the appropriate governments have to fix the ceiling, the quantum for the eligibility as well as the calculation. So which means it need not necessarily be uniform. When you have operations in multiple states, then you must be watchful and clearly understand what is the quantum given in the respective states. Then you may have to make the payment accordingly. You may have to make the decision as to the eligibility of receiving this payment, bonus payment of an employee itself. You may have to check based on the notification issued by the respective state government. So now it will not be uniform. The ceiling both for eligibility as well as for the calculation of bonus.